Hello, my name is LINSUM. Today I'm going to present you water pollutions. Next slide. Today we have 4 content for this slide. The first is the situation of the water pollutions, the causes of the water pollutions, high impact solutions, and conclusions. For the situation of the water pollutions, the situation of water pollution is quite alarming. In 2020 itself, over 80% of wastewater was discharged into the environment without a proper treatment, according to the United Nations. This means that vast majority of the wastewater is not treated before it is discharged into the rivers, lakes, or the oceans, leading to the serious water pollutions. Water pollution is a serious issue that affects only aquatic life, but also human health. Over 1.8 billion people lack of access to clean water, according to the World Health Organization. This means the large portion of the world population is exposed to the health risks associated with the contaminated water. There are 3 main causes of water pollution. Industrial waste is one of the main contributors to the water pollutions. Many industries discharge untreated waste into the water bodies, leading to water pollutions. Agricultural practices are another significant causes of water pollutions. Fertilizer and pesticide used in agriculture run off into the water bodies and pollute them. And finally, domestic waste is also a significant contributor to water pollutions. Human waste, chemical from cleaning products, and pharmaceuticals are discharged into the water bodies. Now we understand the causes of water pollution. Let's move to the next slide where we discuss about 3 high impact solutions to this problem. The first solution is a proper waste management. Industry and household should dispose of waste properly, and treatment plants should be established to treat wastewater before discharge. This can significantly reduce the amount of untreated waste that discharge into the water bodies. The second solution is green practices in agriculture. Using an organic fertilizer, crop rotations, and other green practices can reduce water pollution from agricultural activities. This can significantly reduce the amount of pesticides and fertilizer that run off into the water bodies and pollute them. The third solution is the awareness campaign. Educating people about the impact of water pollution and how they can contribute to reducing it can go a long way in preventing water pollution. This can be done through various means such as school programs, social media campaigns, and community outreach. In conclusions, water pollution is severe environmental issues that affect the world. It causes by various factors including industrial waste, agricultural practice, and domestic waste. However, there are solutions that we can implement to reduce the water pollutions, including the proper waste management, green practices in agriculture, awareness campaigns. So, let's do all of us do our part to reduce the water pollution and ensure that everyone has access to the clean water. Thank you for listening.